Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So I have a crazy one today. GraniteShares, you might have heard of them before. They have like these double leveraged, both long and short ETFs based off of like single stocks. But now they're moving into like the high yield ETFs. So this is pretty nuts. So first off the bat, this is not SEC approved. This GraniteShares filing was done on May 24th. So I guess maybe at the soonest, at the earliest, we might see these like sometime in the summer. But don't hold me to that. I mean, it depends on how they get this done. So there's 25 of these guys, and so far there's no official like ticker symbol yet. And I think just like out of all of these, like they have some pretty good coverage because they have them based off of like some are like the broad-based indices. Then you have like the different sector-based ETFs, and then they even have like single stock ETFs. So I mean, I think they have like most of their bases covered. But again, we don't know what the ticker symbols yet. And the strategy is that they're going to use cash secured puts. So, and then the expense ratios, well, we don't know what these are going to be yet. But just based off of like their double longs and double shorts, they'll probably like be 1% plus or more in terms of expense ratio. At least that's just my guess. So most of these are based off of like triple leverage ETFs, and then for the single stocks, they'll most likely be like based off of like double ETFs. So just like in the underlying in the SEC filing, these are the ones but I'm pretty confident because they actually list them out by name. There are some of them that they don't have like the actual like ticker symbol, but I took a stab at like the best guess. So for example, we have T triple Q, SPXL, TNA, LabU, FAS, and UGT, SOXL, TCL, YNN, TMF. So this one, as far as I know, there's only one double leveraged Bitcoin futures ETF. I could be wrong on this, but I believe this is based off like the volatility shares. But they left like that open ended. They said like a double leveraged Bitcoin's futures ETF. So I'm assuming it's gonna be based off of PITX. But by the time like the when we actually have like the full prospectus and stuff, I think that's when we'll know like when like if they're going to be using BITX or not, or if they're going to switch it over to something else. And then the others guys are going to be Boyle, UCO, AGQ, UGL, UVXY. So this is like a volatility share. And then the rest of these guys, these are all also open-ended. They said like a double leveraged products based off of Apple, AMD, Amazon, Baba, Coinbase, FB, Face or Meta, the Microsoft, Nvidia, and Tesla. Now I placed these APB, AMDL, AMZZ, etc. Because GraniteShares already has like double longs on these, so I'm assuming they're gonna use like their own double levered single stock ETFs. So that I think that would make the most sense. But of course, like things are subject to change, and like they probably left it open and then just in case. But I'm pretty sure they're gonna use kind of recycle their own like GraniteShares just to make kind of like double dipping on like the expense ratio too. So we'll have to see. And then as far as managers go, so Benoit Autier, hopefully I'm pronouncing that right, and Jeff Clearman. So these are the managers. I try to do some research on these guys, but I haven't seen anything like either really good or bad. Maybe one of the bigger YouTubers will probably do like one of those interviews. So we'll just have to see. As for myself, I think I'm gonna probably do a wait and see. This is definitely not for like my retirement money, but I will like to like kind of just play around with these But like I'm gonna definitely size these on the smaller side. So these will probably be like, kind of like fun, like lotto tickets. So I'm not gonna take these like too seriously. But hey, you feel free to do whatever you want with your own money. So if you like this type of content, please consider giving us a like, subscribe if you can, and super thanks. I greatly appreciate it. So thank you for watching. I hope people make some good money out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.